the American government, the FBI, have been using the evidence of a bloke to make the case that he asked this fella, Assange asked this fella, to hack into official computers. And that's kind of the foundation of why they're trying to extradite him to the United States, to kill him, basically. So this fella, Sigurdur Ingi, Thordarson. He's known as Siggy. And he's a crook. He's a well-known crook. And he has been brought in to this FBI entrapment, is what it is, of Assange, as a key witness that Assange asked him to hack into official computers. Well, now a media organization called Stundin has talked to him and got him on tape, saying that he admitted that this claim by the FBI of Assange is not true. But he says he's not allowed to elaborate on why the indictment does not match his purported testimony. In other words, he's saying he never claimed that Assange asked him to hack into anything, and the FBI is saying he did. So the reporter asked him about what the FBI said, and Siggy says, "That I hacked them? No." And the reporter says, "Assange asked you to hack them?" "No," he says. "Then why does the indictment claim that you said that?" asked the reporter. "I can't answer that," said Siggy. "Is it because you don't want to, or because of the FBI you can't answer?" "I can't answer that," Siggy said. And then the reporter said, "Why can't you answer?" And Siggy said, "Because I'm not allowed to." This case against Assange is an absolute fabrication. And it's simply because he embarrassed the American authorities with what was released by WikiLeaks. And two things. A, they want to punish him for that. They want to cover themselves in terms of WikiLeaks doing anything else. But it's another thing. They want to use Assange as an example to say to other people, this is what you get if you do this to us.